Hi, I'm Kelly Chick Comstock. I'm a physical therapist and owner, founder of Optimum Health and Wellness Physical Therapy out here in Ketchikan, Alaska. We were introduced to hands-on diagnostics a couple of years ago and decided to bring musculoskeletal ultrasound into our practice, along with other diagnostic testing. And this is our ultrasound machine. We decided to put it in because I'm always looking for better ways to move our profession forward. And with musculoskeletal ultrasound, we can add to that evidence-based practice model that is moving our profession more into direct access, more into primary care. And we can get this information real-time, live, non-invasive, and with our own clients or people that come to see us, it fits right into the model that we're already propagating for the communities that we serve. And the process has been interesting because you can go take a weekend class and then come back with something to put in the clinic. This is a little bit of a bigger, or not even a little bit, this is a bigger, bigger undertaking. This is a bigger process. And the way healthcare is evolving and the way this has been left behind for the sake of MRIs that are now very expensive, having ultrasound in the clinic fits into a physical therapist's lap like nothing else. It takes the guesswork out of the healing process. When we have a client come in and we can actually see what's going on with their rotator cuff or a muscle strain that, oh my goodness, it's actually a tear, or a ligament injury that helps them realize the nature of their condition. And then we get to talk about it, where other places they get the report that they can't understand. And here we are with them in real time, building that relationship, helping them find their way to get what they need to get back on the road to recovery. It fits so perfectly in the clinic. At HODs, the training isn't a weekend class, it's a process. And that process is very broad and it goes over as much time as you want to take, or you can really dig in and dive in. But the interesting thing is you get to put this in your clinic right away. So you start the process with upper extremity, lower extremity, and you learn the skills that you need to get the images, but it doesn't end there. There is lecture, lab, on-site, and then there's cadaver lab. For some of us, a review that's been a couple decades old, where we get to get back into the anatomy that we're looking at fine detail, and then apply it in the clinic. After that, there's networking. And HODs has a broad network of practice owners throughout the country. And we're in this together. We're networking, we're training together, we're sharing information, knowledge, and we're building a community of diagnostics in physical therapy. This fits just so perfectly for what we need in these outpatient physical therapy practices. For those of you who are new in your career, this is an incredible skill set, a tool that you can use to expand your knowledge and increase your impact on the profession and your clients and make you more marketable to the future. If you're an older practitioner like me and you've been around for a couple decades, then this is an interesting way to add evidence-based practice. Now that we've gone through the transitional DPT program, that some of us are still wondering, where is this profession going in terms of autonomy? We've got a skill set right here in our hands that we can utilize to help build credibility to our profession and move us into the years to come. I hope you'll consider it. Networking at HODs is phenomenal. The clinical expertise is phenomenal. And the mentorship that we get on an ongoing basis as we put this into the clinic is, I don't know that anyone else is doing it anywhere. I'm proud to be a HODs member, and this is musculoskeletal ultrasound.